by early man to hunt animals. Okay, what are the tools? So write the answer. Some tools. Okay, weapons made up of stones, bones, horns of animals. So weapons made up of branches of trees. Okay, write neatly. Then one line leave after you start the question. Seventh question. Right. Why were paintings drawn on rocks? Why were? Answer right. Why were paintings drawn on rocks? Why were paintings drawn on rock? This is the question. Now we are going to write answer. Okay. Early man wished to record their activities, through the paintings on rocks. Painting is a part of their pastime. Painting is a part of their pastime. Okay, have you understand? See, again I read the question. Why were paintings drawn on rocks? So, write neatly. Listen. Early man wished to record their activities through the paintings on rocks. Painting is a part of the pastime. Okay, have you all understand? So, write neatly. Next, we will go to 8th question. Listen students, now we are going to write 8th question answer. Listen, name any two artifacts. Right question, name any two artifacts. Any two artifacts. So write answer. Toys, tools and potteries. Potteries, P-O-T-T-E-R-I-E-S, potteries. Okay. Same spelling. Toys, what spelling? T-O-Y-S, toys. Tools, T-O-O-L-S, tools. And potteries, P-O-T-T-E-R-I-E-S. Okay, have you all understand? Right, neatly. Then hot question answer. Listen. Roman number 3rd. Write detail questions. Okay, first question. How were dogs useful to prehistoric man? How were dogs useful to prehistoric men? Right? Answer. Early man, right answer. Early man might have been chances of wild animals entering the games, but they realized that dogs could help them to prevent the entry of such dangerous animals. Dangerous animal by its sniffing skill. They started domesticating dogs, for the protection and hunting activities. I will understand. Again I read the question. How were dogs useful to prehistoric man? Early man might have. Okay. Early man might have been chances of wild animals. Okay. Or early man or prehistoric man also you write ma. Prehistoric man might have been chances of wild animals entering their caves, but they realized that dogs could help them to prevent the entry of such dangerous animals by its sniffing skill. Sniffing na adu mopa sakti அதிகமுடைய அனிமல் எதுனா டாக் தான். ஸோ தே ஸ்டார்டட் டொமஸ்டிகேட்டிங் டாக். அதனால டாக் என்ன பண்ணாங்க, டொமஸ்டிகேட்டிங் அனிமலாக தே க்ரோ அப் இன் தர் ஹோம் ஃபார் தர் ப்ரொடெக்ஷன் அண்ட் ஹண்டிங் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ். ஓகே, I will understand. Write neatly. Then listen students, now we are going to write second question in detail. Listen. Second question, compare the lifestyle of old stone age man with present day lifestyle. So question they are asked, listen, lifestyle of old stone age man in the present day lifestyle oda comparing. Okay, so write old stone. Old stone age man. Present day man. So right, divide the two column. Old stone age man, present day man. Okay.